Hi guys, and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we're looking at the Hoyle official playing cards, poker sized. I picked these up from playingcarddex.com. I was intrigued because I liked the look of the orange and green. I've since noticed plastic coated, which is a bane of my life, but I will reserve judgment until I've opened them. So this is a new sealed deck. Now something I did notice is this plastic is just not very good. Sort of a bit, well, there we go. Didn't need this after all. So, oh we will, to remove the seal actually, sorry. But, let's have a look at the box. These were damaged in transit, which is a shame, but these things happen. So you've got the guaranteed made in the USA, Hoyle products, Cincinnati, Ohio. Seal there. Hoyle products, Cincinnati, Ohio. Hoyle official playing cards, poker sized. Hoyle products, Cincinnati, Ohio. Hoyle poker sized. So let's crack this seal and have a look inside. There we are. Presumably, yeah, we've got a similar situation with this seal here. 2 seconds. So what I like to do with my seals is to either cut like this and fold them in like that, or cut into that groove. So in here we've got 2005 Hoyle products and some liability information. So look at the deck here. So you've got Joker, Hoyle product information there. Should you find a defect in this deck, don't use it, but return the ace of spades and the defective deck to the address. It's pretty good. Look at the back there. It's actually very nice. It's a very thin card. It feels quite thin. May not be, might just be me, but according to Hoyle, plastic coated, made in the USA. Advertising card, United States Playing Card Company. And then rules. That's pretty good. It's got books and games, etc. And that is it. So we have the ace of spades here. Let's just look at that. It's very nice. And this theme continues throughout the deck. I'm interested in looking at the royalty, to be honest. Now that is cool. That is a cool looking jack. Very, very cool. Move these off camera. Yeah, I'm really liking this. I'm digging the green and orange. It's a very good combo. King again. Now, here's where we meet a slight problem. As I stated in a previous video, I quite like when the suits, the reds and the blacks, are differentiated by colour, whether it's, you know, red and blue or blue and green, whatever it is, as long as they're different. Now these are all the same, which is a shame, but I really, really like this. I really like the design. I really like the colour combination. I actually really like the back. It's almost bicycle-esque, I suppose. It's got like a looks like a Poseidon or someone maybe inside a shell, holding a shell. It's hard to tell. But this is a test. Because it says plastic coated, my concern is that it's not going to glide. Look at that. I am amazed. That's actually really nice. Let me see if the yeah, a lot of plastic cards, plastic coated cards like Mavericks, etc. They don't feel nice at all. Ooh, there's a slight, Yeah. I actually like these a lot. I think I own a couple of decks of Hoyle, but I don't think I've ever actually, I don't think I've ever actually opened one. Yeah, they've got a nice sort of feel to them. I'm actually really impressed. And I mean, they they look where they're really quite thin cards. Let me just focus in on them. They're almost seamless in the cut. I know. I'm actually really impressed. Wow. So, despite the fact that there is no difference in colour, I'm actually really over the moon about these cards. These were $4.99, I think. That's in dollars. $4.99 from playingcarddex.com. Now, I think it's partly because of their great pricing, but I'm actually going to get some more of these. I'm so surprised. Top job. Really good. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time when we'll be looking at something else. Take care.